guys, welcome back, and this is a smartphone stop charging, and this video is to show you how to replace the charging port. And as such, I'm going to take it apart so that you see the entire process. Anyway, let's get into it. One made me make that decision is the fact that it is widened and looks like it has taken a number of. Right, so let's get right into it. Now this pattern has a jacket which we will have to get rid of, and then we need to poke out the SIM card trace. The SIM card trace will get out by the aid of this SIM ejection pin, and let me insert it all the way. That's out. Next step is to also remove the one for the side, pull them out using our nails, and SIM cards are in one. This is actually for the memory card. Now the next stage is to get in between the frame and the back cover. Now let me get right there and try this part. I happen to have fingernails, so if you're wondering, you could use a surgical blade or any stiff form of blade to get in between. And this will open like that, but go slowly because there's a connector leading to the fingerprint sensor mounted at the back, and that gets out of socket by us unscrewing those restraint points. So let's get right in and then disconnect that by getting rid of this contact. Okay, that followed by this, and that's fine. Then just close that, and then this now, and then disconnect that connector now. But the back is free. We did that just for good measure, but there was no need, and it's just that while handling the phone, I do not want to by any way rip the fiber, but we are interested in this, so let's get into it and do just like this. We are interested in this port itself, okay, and then this, and then after that, okay, so now, and then this, okay, now that's that, and then we pick this out. Now we're waiting for our soldering iron to rise to the temperature at which the solder melts as we find our flux. Oh, it is right here. Okay, ready to go. Now let me just adjust the shutter speed. Okay, I think that's better looking, is it not? Okay. Okay, now it's hot enough. Where is my soldering wire? Right here. Naye tebafaayo. Noonagirizibiza bane deal ze. Alright, let me plug it back in. That's where. Plug that in. So we're going to screw these points that support the charging subboard to make sure it doesn't jump out of place.
I can't murder anyone if that's what you're suggesting, but outside of that, I'm empowered to do what I deem necessary.
And 8 years ago, did you deem it necessary to dismantle the firm Samson Kinney?
I did.
But before you ripped that firm apart, you fired one of its attorneys. Is that true?
What?
I said this isn't the first time you've been sued for wrongful termination. Your Honor,
Now,
I'd like to submit a salvo Ms. Richardson signed it.
Where did you get that? That
which in
settlement
this
was
case
sealed. You can't enter it.
is our power
What the
bank.
hell is going on here?
Why'd you fire that lawyer, Faye?
It's not relevant.
I think it is.
And
Because I think it's the same reason you fired Smith.
now let's have the screen face up
You going to just sit there?
Bet your ass he
and
is.
insert
Because
that
you took
in.
his dignity every
Story what happened, how end up as an amputee. March 12th.
The reason I've been hiding you is my father is couldn't give you